Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We are on Outdoor Rides with a Z. How y'all feeling, man? We are currently on Camellia Street. It's windy, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It is windy. Got an ultra wide action today. You feel me? If y'all new to the channel, drop a sub, say what's up. Something happened not long ago. Somebody done got in an accident on the scooter. I think they fell off. We gotta be careful out here. Oh my God, I should have came out a little earlier. It is choppy. She chopping outside right now. I'm gonna go left. Oh shit, there's a car coming to my right. All right. But yeah, though, like, how y'all doing, man? Y'all good? Let's see, we pushing on a scooter today. Of course, that's every day. That's all we got is a scooter. I need an e-bike. That's what I need. I need to get behind me. Oh, okay. I need an e-bike. For real, because, like, I mean, e-bikes, this is cool. Don't get me wrong. But, like, I need an e-bike. We need to be rolling. We need to be speeding. Coming through here. Oh, watch the trees. Watch the trees. We definitely need to be speeding at this point. But, like I said, this is not bad. You know, we're here in about 30 right now. Everything's smooth, you know. So I got my Rode microphone. I got a Rode, like a little shotgun, shaped like a shotgun microphone. Got a little fur ball on it. Plugged it up, it works. It's just I don't have no mount for it. I don't want it hanging, you know. That'd be weird. So we're gonna rock out with what we got right now. And yeah, pretty much. Let's go right. Make this right here, and we're gonna make this left. We're gonna slide. Oh my God, the roads. Hey, if you live around here and you knew how these roads, this whole area was before, yeah. Oh snap. Okay, I'm liking this. Let me spin on through here. Yes. All right. One thing I would like to start doing on the channel though is going different places and driving. You know what I mean? I might gotta get a couple homies with the scooters. We hop in the car, pack our scooters up, and you know what I mean? Oh shit! Oh! We go to another area, like another city, and ride around there. Maybe Ocean City. Oh yeah, maybe Ocean City. We can go Ocean City. But yeah. Make this right. Uh-oh. Here we go. I know I might not look like I'm looking both ways, but I definitely am. I'm looking both ways, ladies and gentlemen. You're looking both ways. Oh my God, that Porsche is nice. We're gonna go straight down this historical street, Pine Street. Oh, I got a car on my tail. Let me scoot on over here. No cat though. Yo, what up, Dre? All right. We got two Dre's. I'm gonna let them go to the right there. I'm gonna let them go. Oh, they turning this way. Okay. They turning this way. Okay. I'm gonna slide on straight though whenever these cars. I'm going. No, I ain't. Yeah, I am. No, I ain't. Nah, don't do it. No, be safe out here, bro. Be safe. Play it cool. That's where I'm going. I'm going this way. I don't care. We're gonna slide up this sidewalk. Oh, boom. Oh shit. Oh no, it's rough right here. It's rough. She a little rough. Let me get back. Oh my God, y'all heard my scooter? My scooter clicked. Let me pop that back real quick. Got a car on my tail a little bit. Ugh. Yes, Lord. And we shooting straight. All right. I know it's a little quiet. I know y'all want me. What y'all want to talk about? Shit. Y'all like chicken? I mean, we got kids playing in the woods. I definitely need to get this head mount. So every time I turn my head, y'all can see what I'm seeing exactly. But it's just y'all view is gonna be like, you know, wide. It's gonna be the only difference. What the? Feel me? That's it. All right. Riding in the motherfucking road. But yeah, I don't know who that was, but they blew the horn. Okay. All right. Make sure they got a car coming behind me. Yes, Lord. Let me make this left right here. I gotta make sure a car is coming. Watch a car be coming. Oh, never mind. I'm good. I'm in the green. Oh, God, Jesus, a bird. Damn, bird almost scared my skin off my body. Well, it low-key did. That just scared me. I ain't gonna lie. I thought that motherfucking bird was ready to run into me. Imagine, like, if anybody down below in the comments ever, like, encountered a bird, like, while you're on, like, oh my God, a dog. It's a dog. Oh shit, hey, what up? Oh my goodness, it scared the shit out of me. Y'all, I thought it was on the, hey, if that motherfucker was off the leash, I would have died. In GTA, we're gonna shoot straight. Let me make sure my lefts and rights. Oh yeah, if I shot straight, I would have been straight on the ground. Let me get to the side real quick. Remember, I'm just a scooter. I'm just a scooter. You know what I mean? Make sure there's no car coming that way. I'm gonna let them go right here. That's what we're gonna do. We got a car coming from this way. All right, now I ain't gonna lie, they got some nice seats. Appreciate. Oh wait, I got another one. Oh, they was ready to let me slide. They ready to let me slide, yeah. All right. Yes, Lord. We gone on them boys. We gone on them boys. Yes, man. Yes. We're gonna take a little slither by this old bowling alley. I'm out here screaming. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Ain't had nothing to do with me. Cars coming down here, lawnmowers and stuff. Yo, these roads are rough, man. Imagine if we had marble floors as the road. Like if the road in the streets was marble floors, woo! I've been cruising down the line. You know what I mean, I've been cruising. I've probably been hitting 40. Even though my shit won't say 40, it'll hit 40. We hitting the 29s right now. It's all right though. It's all right. Okay. All right, we going. Got a car back there behind us. Wait, what the fuck? What a bowling alley? Oh shit! It's the next street. It's the next street. I'm gonna go this way. Y'all not following me, is y'all? Shit, I'm recording, so don't do nothing crazy. We in little car behind me now. We got little Cambridge. Oh my God! Look at this bus. I'm gonna turn wide. Hope no car ain't coming. Look at that bus. That bus fire. That shit fire. Feel me? We out here. So there's no need to go over there since that's the old bowling alley. That's the old olden alley. It's the old bowling alley right over there, y'all. But where we're gonna go is we're gonna turn around. I'm not going over there because it's abandoned, and if a zombie or if I see the slender, I was about to say slender. The Slenderman. Oh yes, we smooth right now. Who the hell did these roads? Lightning McQueen? God damn. Oh, it's a cat over there. How you doing? Come here, Whiskers. You feel me? No, we floating though. We floating right now. I'm loving the smoothness. I'm loving how smooth she is. You feel me? All right, we coming up to a stop. We're gonna go straight. Yeah, we're gonna go shoot straight. Wait. Oh yeah. I'm gonna shoot straight. Hold on. Oh, I'm going after this. I'm going. Yes, Lord. You feel me? We got dirt piles and stuff. What if I do it? No, I'm not doing that. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't have no dirt bike or nothing, no four-wheeler, not with springs. So we're not doing that, okay? We're not doing that, okay? Not today. What do you say? I don't think so. We're gonna make this slide left right here. I mean, easy. You got the old pool back there. Hello. All right. She said, yes, Lord. That bike is nasty right there. But yeah, man. Oh, we're going down a little bit. We gaining momentum. I'm standing on my scooter straight, like literally straight with my 2 feet side by side, and I'm scared because my stomach's tingling, but we're gonna go ahead and rip it off like that. All right. Now I'm going slightly up a hill. Lightly going up a hill, lightly going, come on. Tell the pedals, don't stop. I don't have pedals. I got button. All right. So, oh my God, they done smoothed it out over here. What's going on? All right. They done smoothed it out over here. This is my old childhood playground. All right. Yeah, we slithering. They done fixed the whole street. That's what they did. Whole street fixed. Jesus. Holy cow. All right. All right. Oh my God, I ran over a rock. California coast. Yeah, yep, I would have been California good as smack right there. I'd have been done. I'd have been laying on the floor. They'd have been like, get off the floor. You know what I mean? Let's go. Oh, we smooth right now. We're a part of traffic. I mean, nobody coming. Oh, shit, almost fell. Okay. All right. I am going to go right. We're going to slither on up this street right here. Yes. I used to be around here a lot. It's a lot. Like, I'm talking every day. One of the homies used to live on this street, but we used to be lit. Bruh. Oh shit. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going left. Let's hit left. Oh shit. Somebody started a car. Oh shit. Dynaco. Here we go. Should I slither downtown for y'all boys? And we are. Holy crap, my brakes. Got a car coming this way. Oh, the lights lit up down there. We're gonna ride through. It looks pretty probably. It probably looks pretty. We're gonna wait for this car right here. They're probably looking like, you talking to yourself? Hell nah. Got a pizza car coming. Holy crap, it's a car coming from behind me. Oh shit. Giovanni's. Is that Giovanni's? Yeah, let me get, no, that's Rusty. That's Rusty's. What up, man? That's Rusty Cans. Oh, no. I'm sorry, I made a Mr. Light. I apologize. Yes, they could have made that, but you know what I mean? I had to go. What's going on? Yo. Everybody speaking today, you know what I mean? Everybody nice. Everybody being nice to your boy. Yeah. Oh shit, everybody speaking. Those some scooter boys. I should have said, y'all want to roll with me? Nah, I ain't too friendly. Oh shit, okay. Oh my God, we got potholes and stuff. Oh y'all, it's lit. It's lit right now. It's looking good with the lights. I gotta start doing, hey, nighttime, but I'm scared to pop out nighttime. I'm scared of the dark. I need more light. More light. I'm stopping. All right, chill, bro. You loud as shit. But yeah, bro. We out here. Nah, she look good right now, bro. We sliding. Hey, and the birds chirping. Sing to me. You know what I mean? All right, we leaving the render. We leaving the, you know what I mean, the area. Bye. We up here. Let's go. Oi. You feel me? All right. We're gonna make this right. Oh no, that car making it right. I'm gonna make it right too. When they get done making it right. Nah, y'all can go. Nah, I ain't tripping. Y'all can go. They gonna make it. I don't care what they doing. I'm gone. What the hell? You know what? Let's get creative. It's not even creative. Let's go this way. Spin back. Make it left. I don't know where I'm going. It is what it is. Just hope I don't run into a dead end. Push me away, make me fall. I remember I went to a party out here, it was lit. Then they got fighting over here, then somebody tried to run somebody over, bro. It was crazy in GTA. If you know, you know. But yes, things happen. It gets wicked. Wiggle. Oh, here we go. We all smooth again. We're in the smoothening. Let's get it. Act right. I probably scared the shit out of them, man. Oh, they ain't even see me. Them boys gone. What the fuck did I just run over? Them boys gone. Let me slide right here real quick. Oh, brother. Feel me? I definitely need to get that head mount. I get that head mount. It's over, G. It's over. Let me slide. Ooh. I'm going straight. I ain't making no stops. Because everybody else got to stop. I got to be sure. Yes. Because I would hate for my life to flash before my eyes. But ladies and gentlemen, this is Outside Rides with a Z. Y'all make sure y'all leave a sub on this video. We're trying to grow this channel. You know, y'all make sure y'all check out my previous videos. I got 2 of them up. This was video number 3. We're on a long run. We're for greatness. 100 subs on the way. Sounds crazy saying to start that low because I got a other channel with 5K. But y'all make sure y'all sub up. Say what's up to y'all, boy. I'm gonna catch y'all on this next video on Outside Rides with a Z. Oh shit, they following me. Y'all have a good one.